Explain async await in Python and why it matters for your work. Python's async model is cooperative. Define defines a core routine. Await keyword yields control back to the event loop while waiting on input output, and the loop runs other core routines in the meantime. It's not parallelism, it is concurrency on a single thread. The reason it matters for integration work is that almost everything we do is input output bound: calls to ERPs, webhooks, database round trips. With sync code, a thread sits blocked waiting for a 200 millisecond API response. With async, that same thread is handling dozens of concurrent calls. Fast API is async native, which is one of the reasons it shines for integration platforms. The two big traps: don't put blocking calls inside async handlers, time.sleep, sync DB drivers, sync HTTP libraries will all stall the entire event loop. And be careful with async ORMs, object relational model. Django ORM only got proper async support recently and still partial.